Industrial revolution has arrived. 3D printers are a reality, not only in an industrial version, but for the end user. Many times when buying one of these printers we have certain doubts about its functionalities or if it is really worth it. That is why, at Emmanuel 7 Tech we made a list of the best on the market. Go ahead. Creality CR10 Smart 3D Printer. Creality's innovative bidirectional cooling nozzle is equipped with a bidirectional sphenoid that dissipates heat in a short time and expels heat more evenly. Features: built-in Wi-Fi function, remote control printing anytime, anywhere. Low power mode, safe and worry-free, save energy and power. Intelligent auto leveling, instant printing after initial auto leveling. Dual Z-axes plus dual diagonal drawbars, ensure stable and precise printing. 4.3-inch full-view touchscreen, intuitive and easy to use. Supercar design, a combination design of aesthetics and technology. Ultra-silent design, mute mainboard/mute fan, low noise power supply. Modular structure, 6 steps to assemble, 8 minutes to complete. Creality Ender 3 Pro. The Ender 3 S1 Pro is a new and improved version of the very successful Ender 3. Equipped with a newly developed direct dual gear extruder, automatic bed leveling, 32-bit silent mainboard, among other things, the S1 Pro is a very affordable printer with everything you could wish for at this price point. Feature: newly developed high-temp nozzle, reaches up to 300 degrees. New nozzle, compatible with most regular materials on the market. New Sprite direct dual gear extruder, all metal and with 80 N of extrusion force. Dual gear direct extruder, compatible with TPU, flexible filament. Integrated LED light. 4,3 LCD screen with simple-to-use UI. Automatic CR touch, 16-point bed leveling system. Flexible and removable spring steel build surface. 32-bit quiet mainboard for silent printing. Resume print after power loss. Filament runout sensor. Creality 3D Ender 5 Pro 3D Printer. The Ender 5 communicates with an updated V1.15 silent motherboard with TMC2208 drivers, allowing for quieter and more accurate printing performance. Resume printing function: when power is restored, the printer will continue printing from the breakpoint. Large adjusting nuts, quick and easy leveling. The printers are in the description link below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.